Imagine walking into your office tomorrow and finding out that half your job doesn't exist anymore. Not because you got fired, but because AI just learned to do it better, faster, and cheaper than you ever could. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's happening right now. The World Economic Forum dropped some mind-blowing data that will make you question everything you thought you knew about job security. Here's the reality. By 2030, 40% of the skills you are using today will be completely obsolete. But here's the plot twist that nobody's talking about. This isn't actually the job apocalypse everyone is panicking about. In fact, I'm about to show you exactly which skills will make you irreplaceable in the AI economy and why the people who understand this shift are about to become the highest paid workers in history. Plus, I'll reveal the one skill category that's growing faster than anything else, and it's absolutely not what you think. So, if you're wondering whether your job is safe, or if you should be learning to code, or if you're too old to adapt to this AI revolution, stick around because by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do next. Now, let's start with the data that made my jaw drop. The World Economic Forum surveyed over 1,000 employees representing 14 million workers across 55 countries. And what they found will either terrify you or excite you, depending on how you look at it. 86% of employees expect AI to completely transform their business by 2030. That's higher than any other technology trend. But here's what's really wild. AI isn't just destroying jobs, it's also creating new ones. While roles like data entry clerks, bank tellers, and legal secretaries are disappearing, we are seeing explosive growth in areas like machine learning, fintech, AI development. But here's the thing that most people miss. Only 33% of work will be done by humans alone by 2030. Right now, it's just 47%. So what's happening to the rest? This is where it gets interesting, and I'll tell you exactly what this means for your career in just a moment. But first, let me show you something that will change how you think about this entire situation. The number one fastest growing skill is AI and big data. But here's what's really surprising. It's not just about knowing how to use AI tools. The skills that are actually making people irreplaceable are things like analytical thinking, creative problem solving, and something called curiosity and lifelong learning. Wait, curiosity is now a job skill? Absolutely, and I will explain why in a second. But first, here's the breakdown that will blow your mind. By 2030, work will be split into three equal parts. 33% done by humans alone, 33% done by machines alone, and about 34% done through human and AI collaboration. That middle category, human AI collaboration, is where the magic happens. It's where the highest paying jobs will be. But most people are completely unprepared for this shift. Industries like healthcare and government are betting big on augmentation. That is, AI making humans better at their jobs. Meanwhile, finance and tech are going full automation. The question isn't whether AI will affect your industry, rather it's how. But here's the part that will either make or break your career. While everyone's panicking about AI takeover, smart companies are doing something completely different. 85% of employers plan to upskill their current workforce. 70% are hiring for new skills, and 50% are transitioning people into new roles. They're not just firing people, they're investing in them, but only if they have the right skills. The winners in the new economy will master three types of skill. First, AI literacy. Not coding AI from scratch, but rather knowing how to use AI tools effectively. Think prompt engineering, Excel automation, and understanding how to collaborate with AI systems. Secondly is digital fluency. Networks, cybersecurity, and basic tech literacy. So if you can't navigate digital tools confidently, you are already behind. Thirdly, human-centric skills. This is the secret sauce: analytical thinking, creativity, resilience, and leadership. the things AI can't replicate. But here's what nobody tells you about developing these skills. The people who thrive in these transition won't be the ones with the most technical skills. They will be the ones with the highest learning capacity and adaptability. Underline the keyword adaptability. Remember that curiosity and lifelong learning skill I mentioned. It's not just nice to have, it's essential. The half-life of skills is shrinking so fast that the ability to learn new things quickly is becoming more valuable than any specific knowledge. Companies are literally hiring for flexibility and agility as core competencies. They want people who can pivot when the landscape changes, because it's changing faster than ever. So what should you do right now? Here's your roadmap. Start with AI literacy, like I mentioned earlier. Pick one AI tool relevant to your field and master it this month. Whether it's ChatGPT for writing, whether it's Midjourney for design, or Copilot for coding, just start now. Next, strengthen your analytical thinking skills. Take on projects that require problem solving and data interpretation. These skills compound over time. Finally, develop your learning systems. Create a routine for staying updated in your field. The people who make continuous learning a habit will own the next decade. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. But unlike previous technological shifts, this one rewards the people who adapt the fastest. The choice is yours. You can either panic about AI taking your job, or you can position yourself as someone who works with AI to become irreplaceable. If this video helps you see the opportunities hiding in these massive shifts, hit the like button. And if you want more insights into AI and everything digital literacy, as well as the opportunities that lie in these fields, then hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification so that you'll be the first to know when a video like this drops. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.